Hello everyone, magandang hapon. Mag-alas 3 na sa hapon, karon pa ko makaon. Muna akong kinabuhi dire guys. So, naunta ninyo. Haba na ng hair ko. Pero mas gusto ko yung hair na haba para mabilis lang siyang ipusod. Okay? So, dali, kaunta. Dali ng buntag. Nag-check ko sa akong sugar. Gunuo ko, kataas akong sugar. Daingan ko na dali na ko mag-diet ko. So, paano ako maka-diet guys? Ang amo ko gabi, nagdala siya og may cake, may rice, may fried rice, tapos usa pa tong usa may mix na gulay. So, mamayang gabi yun ang pagkain kong gulay. Tapos ito, kinakain ko yung pansit. So, bait maamo ko. Pero yung ibang mga helper, yung amo I care, lalo na kung stay out. Sama ko, stay out ako, so may amo ko sa umaga may care. So hindi ko sila pwedeng iwanan. Pwera lang kung sila na ang aayaw sa akin. So yun ang promise ko sa sarili ko. Kaya parang second mother or parents ko na rin sila kasi kasing edad sila ng mga magulang ko. So okay. So, yung care nila sa akin ay parang tinuturan din nila akong anak or pamilya. At kilala na ako sa pamilya nila kasi since nag-umpisa ako nag-work dito sa pamilyang ito is 2010. From Hong Kong ako noon. Tapos, after doon, dito ako nagtrabaho sa unang amo ko, sa pamangkin niya. For almost 4 years. Nag-alaga ako ng bata noon, 1 year. So ngayon ang bata ngayon, binata na. Kasi 2010 ako dito so 15 years old na yung bata ngayon. Malaki pa sa akin guys. Ito ako ngayon nakaupo. Yung bata ganun Niiyak ko lang ako. Grabe ang tangkad. Gwapo pa. Nung una yung bata na yan, katabi ko pagtulog lagi niyang ginaganito yung nunal ko. Itim ito noon, pero may may nalagay akong gamot kaya natanggal yung itim. Pero hindi siya pwedeng tanggalin kung hindi authorized na yung hindi nanggagaling talaga sa clinic na inoopera mo ito kasi ito ay itong nunal na ito ay aking na siya, identity. Pwede pala with mushroom siya. Mag-iwas muna ako sa mga juice ngayon kasi ang taas ng aking sugar. Sa gabi hindi na ako kakain ng kanin. Ibalik ko yung diet ko noon na pumayat ako ng 57 hanggang 57. Pero ano naman ewan ko lang. Basta yung tapos ngayong umaga I check my blood pressure. It's normal, 119/75. So it's normal for my age of 53. Yun nga lang yung sugar ko, mataas yung sugar ko. Kaya yan, hindi na ako muna iinom ng juice. Or Coca-Cola inside 1 month. So So guys, may chokes to go pala dyan sa bayan, sa bayan natin. Ibo-boycott ko na yan. Hindi na ako hindi na ako bibili. Bibili na lang ako ng tuyo. Ay, sorry. Tapos may cake padala yung amo ko. May birthday siguro kagabi. Bumili na nga ako ng carrots at saka potato kasi meron akong isda binili kahapon. You remember? May isda akong dala. Yung ulo ay gagawin kong sabaw. Tapos ano lang ilagay ko is tomato, onion, carrots at saka potato. Kaso lang, hindi ko siya naluto ngayon dahil nga nagdala ng ang amo ko nagdala ng pagkain. Baka mamayang gabi meron na naman kasi maaga siyang umalis. Tanggalin ko na yung lipstick ko kasi papasok ako sa kong amo. Pag nakita niya akong maganda, tomboy sabi niya. Naglagay ka na naman ng lipstick. Nagsisilos guys. Tapos pag inita na naman ako nan, maghanap na naman ng alikabok. Amo talaga. Perfect. Gagawa na naman ng paraan na magalit. Abnormal. Hindi pa ako nabusog. So, kailangan ko lang kainin yung cake ko. Pero, ano na lang. Ang aking inumin instead na Coca-Cola or juice, tubig na lang. Pero meron akong ginawa na drinks, lemon with water only, no any sugar. So guys, ang sarap mabuhay, ang sarap magtrabaho dito sa ibang bansa kung mayroon ka lang pagtiyaga. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, bago ko narating kung ano ang meron ako ngayon, dumaan ako sa butas ng karayom. Okay? Tubig yan with lemon. Yung boyfriend kong Italian nag-message na hindi ko pa nire-replyan. Hanggang boyfriend lang guys kasi mahirap na kung tutuhanan. Cake. Kahit na nagbibiro ko. Ang asim ng strawberry. Grabe. Kaya itong dahilan kung bakit ako tumaba. Asim. Strawberry. Asim. Shout out to my friend, my Facebook friend. Shout out to Belma de la Cruz. Where you came from? where you came from in Philippines or where, shout out to you. Always take care of yourself too. Sabi niya sa akin, take good care of your health and enjoy your meal. So thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. You're always there for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Meron pang isa. Shout out to, and I don't know how to pronounce your name, so first I'm sorry, but I try to mention your name. So, shout out to MD Kokon Mia. She's my follower. I think she's my long distance follower or in any country. So, thank you so much for watching. You're always there for me. Now I don't have any pressure because now I know the truth about I'm talking again about Prince Hamdan Faza. So always careful, don't believe on him on this profile because it's not the real Prince Hamdan Faza. He's the imposter. Okay? So always take care. Don't agree to send any gift Apple card to this imposter. It's not Prince Hamdan Faza. It's imposter. Okay? So, where is my other follower? Are you sleeping? So, MD Kokon Mia. Thank you so much. Shout out next time if you have comment. Write your country where you are, but don't include your address for our safety here in social media because many bad people around. Okay? Thank you so much. So, I ate the cake. I already ate the pansit. We call pansit. Pansit. We call it pansit in Tagalog or Bisaya. Yes, my employer is very good. Okay. MD Kokon, shout out. She's in Bangladesh. I wish all of you there are fine and keep safe. Always take care. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Guys, I don't like sour. Ano ito eh? This is a fruit mix. I don't like sour. Panyautunin ako eh. Alas 3 na. Shout out Hilin Iba Pidyongko. I'm sure Philippines this one because she's speaking Bisaya language. So, kaon ko kay aron ta mabuhi. Tay pamilya diri iba, Hilin Eva Pidyongko, shout out. I'm sure she's Bisaya. Kasi may sinabi siya, she mentioned the name kaon. So, mukaon jud ko kay wa ko pamilya diri ba ko inahan ni ginikana diri sa ibang bansa. Ugma ang luto kog isda. Okay, always take care. MD Kokon Mia, Bangladesh. She came from Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching and for your nice comment. Talagang merong sour. Ayoko. Pero sayang. I'm done. I need to hurry because I have work in the afternoon. So, okay. Ingat kayong lahat. Especially those profile of Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai. He's not the prince. He's imposter. Okay, so let's careful. Ignore them or block them because if you talking to him, they will ask you to pay royal membership card. That royal membership card, it's fake. Fake. How that real card come to you? For example, it's really very dangerous. So all of you take care because I do my very best to know the truth. You know, I have she is my follower. She's not my friend, but just follower. She told me, I reply to her message in my inbox, in my spam. So I bring her to my messenger. So I talked to her. You know what she said? You saved me. She said to me, she is a woman from India, Mumbai, India. She said, you saved me a lot from these people, from this man. Okay? So I do my very best to know the truth. So I just share. Always careful that this profile of Prince Hamdan Pasa, it's not true. It's all fake. So be careful. Ignore them. Otherwise, they will pray your picture and you cannot say no. Okay? So, you will be in their kids if you don't believe on me. So guys, thank you so much. It's very hot here. It's very, very hot. So I need to make my hair like this one because it's very hot. And then it's me. It's real me. I'm not fake. So that is why you need to make live videos so that the Facebook will knows that you are the real owner of your account. No no other person. So guys, thank you so much and see you next time. Okay? So this is my drink. Instead of juices, so I make lemon water. Hindi siya maasim, konti lang. At saka yung ano ko ngayon, yung my blood pressure, it's good. 119/75. So it's normal for my age. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next time. Abuhay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.